So we registered our son for kindergarten, and at the school he's already going, but they gave him a cute little like gift bag, and I just wanted you to see how cute this is. Isn't that adorable? Nice little treats. Prepare them for the school year with some sight words. What else they got? Alphabets, some crayons. Ooh, I can mark that off of my list. Ooh, some Play-Doh and pencil, glue stick. This is a nice pencil. I've never seen like this size. This is good for his little hand. What else we got? Numbers.
Pencil fight.
Oh yeah, you remember those days? We never did it with pencil. We used to do it with the spork. Colors and shapes. This is a nice little unexpected treat. And the other thing that's included in here is the kindergarten readiness checklist, making sure that your child can do all these things. And if they can't, things that you work on during the summer or just kind of take note for the next school year. I love that. Appreciate that.